Yeah, I want to finish with this reflective question in relation to that kind of last point of what is alive in me right now. There is always an accept. And this can help us to identify what could make things better for us in any given moment. And this is a kind of, I guess, a gentle sort of meditative thing that I want to do, inspired by the vocabulary of feelings in Marshall Rosenberg's Nonviolent Communication book, and the inventory of needs. So if you're in a place where you're able, just take a moment to take a couple of deep breaths and sit and listen for the next few minutes, and just give yourself to the words that I'm speaking, and allow the ones that want to pop up and speak to you to do so. What feelings do you want to experience more of? Do you want to be absorbed, adventurous, affectionate, alert, alive, amazed, amused, animated, appreciative, ardent, aroused, astonished, blissful, breathless, buoyant, calm, carefree, cheerful, comfortable, complacent, composed, concerned, confident, contented, cool, curious, dazzled, delighted, eager, ebullient, ecstatic, effervescent, elated, enchanted, encouraged, energetic, engrossed, enlivened, enthusiastic, excited, exhilarated, expansive, expectant, exultant, fascinated, free, friendly, fulfilled, glad, gleeful, glorious, glowing, good-humoured, grateful, gratified, happy, helpful, hopeful, inquisitive, inspired, intense, interested, intrigued, invigorated, involved, joyous, joyful, jubilant, keyed up, loving, mellow, merry, mirthful, moved, optimistic, overjoyed, overwhelmed, peaceful, perky, pleasant, pleased, proud, quiet, radiant, rapturous, refreshed, relaxed, relieved, satisfied, secure, sensitive, serene, spellbound, splendid, stimulated, surprised, tender, thankful, thrilled, touched, tranquil, trusting, upbeat, warm, wide awake, wonderful, zestful, take a breath. Picture where you feel those things. Where are you in your mind's eye? Which of your needs are being met inside you? Now think about where you are in this moment. What need is alive in you right now? Maybe you're experiencing a physical need for fresh air, food, movement, safety, connection with another person. Maybe it's a need for autonomy, to choose your dreams, pick your own goals, and identify your personal values, to choose a plan for fulfilling those things. Maybe you're experiencing a need to celebrate life itself, to celebrate dreams fulfilled, to celebrate things you've lost. Perhaps a need to mourn, to be grateful, or to grieve. Maybe you have a need for integrity. You need authenticity, creativity, meaning, self-worth. Perhaps it's a need for interdependence that you notice rising up in you right now. You need to feel acceptance, a need to give acceptance, appreciation, closeness, community, consideration, contribution to the enrichment of life, to give yourself to life. Maybe you need emotional safety, empathy, honesty, love, reassurance, respect, support, trust, understanding, or warmth. Maybe you need to play, to have fun or experience laughter. Perhaps you have a need for spiritual communion, to witness beauty, harmony, inspiration, order, balance, or peace. What need is alive in you right now? What can you do to meet it in some way? Perhaps in this moment, maybe later today or later this week. Let the need speak, and may your actions give to it. And may this help you be confidently weird in normal ways. And until next time, remember that even when it appears not to be, gentleness is always an option. Bye-bye.